Bumblebee say? What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a turkey say?
Gabba.
What does a frog say?
Rabbit.
What does a cat say?
Mouse.
What does a dog say? Dog has a frog in his throat. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does a pig say? No, that's a cat. Pig. Where's your nose? Where's your hair? Where's your feet? Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Ears. Oh, where's Mommy's hair clip? In the floor? Go get it.